Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate Gemini AI. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your App Store, and on the search bar simply type in Google and then hit search, and once you do that, tap on the Google and download it. And once you have downloaded the app, simply open up the app. Now once you open up the app, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon and log into your account. And once you have logged into your account, what you need to do is go back and you'll be seeing this search icon and this Gemini icon. Now what you need to do is simply tap on that, and once you tap on this Gemini icon, you'll be provided with a prompt message and an option to tap on I agree. And once you tap on that, you'll be agreed to Gemini terms and conditions, and that's basically how to activate Gemini AI. Now you can use the features of Gemini AI, like you can simply talk to the Gemini AI or simply type in hi or talk to Gemini AI or interact with Gemini AI. You can also use the photo option or camera option by simply tapping on the camera icon and scanning the photo, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.